Okay, so create a new folder, HTML project. New folder you have to create. Give the folder name HTML project. Project. Yes. Folder name should be HTML project. In HTML project folder, if you can keep some photo, will be much helpful. You have any photo in system? Copy some photo and keep in that project folder. In computer, in some drive, you will have photo. Copy those photo and keep under the project folder. 2-3 photo you can keep. Okay, folder is ready. Inside folder, we can copy some photos and we can keep here. Now in this folder, the project folder, you create one file, index1.html. We will create a file index1.html in HTML project folder. Index1.html. Okay, index1 file is ready. Now in developer guide, you can make some note. 2 tags we are going to follow here. One is called frame set. Frame set. And one more tag will be called a frame. Not much in use, but it's very good logical thing. It will give very good logic. Okay. Now frame set, what it will do? It used to break one page into multiple blocks. It used to break one page into multiple blocks, one HTML page. Page into multiple blocks. Like if we create one page we can divide into multiple blocks, and then with the help of frame tag, it used to call file, used to call separate HTML file under each block. It used to call separate HTML file under each block. Like using frame set, you will divide the page into multiple blocks, and once you will get multiple block, under each block you have to display some data. So to display the data under each block, we required a tag. That tag is called as a frame. Now how it will work, next we'll see. इमेज नहीं है तो इमेज बना दीजिए. I'll guide you how to create image. Like paint is there, no, in the system, right? आप पेंट ओपन करो, आप मैं गाइड करता हूँ how to create image. You can open the paint, search this one, paint. Open. Font, paint. Okay, so go to paint, and inside paint you can see there is a brush, fill, it's called filler. You can click on this. We can go to the any color. First you choose this and then click on any color, click here. Okay, now we can save this file. We can save this file in our frame set folder. We can go here, and then under the example project folder, I'll write here called p1, and we can change the extension to jpeg. Save it. One photo is ready. Same way, create one more file, new file, and select other color, maybe red color. Click on red and select this color filler. Click here. Again Ctrl S. Write next file, p2.jpg, and after writing p2, select the jpeg. Save in the project folder. Two photo is ready. This way you can create the photo. Created. Other people also gonna either download from internet or open the paint and go to the file, select the new, select the color filler from here, choose the color, click here, color will change, save the file p1.jpg, p1.jpg, p2.jpg, different color. The photo will be ready, something like this. It will show you like this color. Okay, so next, using frame set, we will create the multiple blocks in a page, and using the frame, under each block we can call different files. Okay, using frame we can call different files. Next, after this, let's come to the our index file. Index file. In index file, index1 file, we start from HTML, and then you can use call frame set. You will not use the body tag if you are creating a frame example. Instead of body, you will use the frame set. Okay? Instead of using the body tag, we will use the frame set tag. Next step, after this, under the frame set, how you want to divide the page into multiple blocks. For example, let's look into this file once, then we can go with something. Okay, 8 minutes again, hold on. Now suppose you have some such requirement, says like divide the page into multiple blocks where should look like this. Look like this. It should look like this. So how many blocks? 3 blocks. Now this 3 block I'll use inside a main block. Something like this. Okay. The total screen we divided into 3 rows. It's a row wise division. Maybe some requirement will say create a page that should look like this. That should look like this. Okay. Next, after this, something like this. In this, you can see row and column both we have row wise division as well as column wise division. This become another layout. Now let me create one more block. One block, little bigger block. After that, little something like this. 30-70 combination. And then one block here. So the question is how to divide the pages like this in multiple blocks. Okay, so in HTML, you have a tag called frame set that will help you. Once you go in CSS, then we have to use HTML tag and CSS, then we can make like this. So now the tag we are using called frame set. Using frame set, we can make a row wise division as well as column wise division. Okay, total width of every screen. Your screen width, how many pixels don't know, but width is 100%. Okay, total screen height is how much I don't know, but total height is this much, all 100%. Okay, pixel even you have to measurement, then only come to know through technology. But when you are saying as it, tell me what is the height of your screen, you should say 100% height, and what is the width of your screen, 100% width. We are going to calculate percentage width, so that in my screen also it will fit, and in your screen also it will fit. Okay. So now first we'll design like this, then we'll design like this. Okay, so first file should be this. So how many blocks? Three blocks. Three block we can create through the frame set. After that frame tag will say inside each block I can display the different file. So suppose first is become as a header block, last is footer block, middle is welcome block. So you should have three more files. One you have the index, one more file should be there that should come on the top. One more file should be there that should come in the bottom. And one more file is required that should come in the middle. So total three files will be required to complete this, and one main file that is called index.html. 4 pages will be required. Okay. So now come to the your index file. So this photo says yes, it's a row wise division. Height is nothing but the rows. So you have to use a property called rows, ROWS. Rows equal to first row you give somewhere 10% of height, comma. Second row you give somewhere 75% of the height. Last row you give 15% of the height. Three rows will be ready. Now come inside. Under each row, the first row, second row, third row, under each row we have to call a different file using the frame tag. Frame src equal to one dot header dot html. Frame 2 is nothing but middle file. We can write call home.html. Frame 3, that is 15% height, footer.html. Okay. So hope your page is ready. Run this file. It will show you 3 times page not found. In one page, it will say 3 times page not found. Something like this. Because header, welcome, footer, those files are not exist. Those files are not exist, and we are trying to call those files. First sequence 3 block is the possibility of mistake is here. The rows equal to double quote open and close in the last. Don't close the double quote again and again. Double quote open in the beginning and closing in the last, in between 3 number separated by comma with percent sign. Where is coming? 3 times page not found. So please let me know your page is looking similar or something else. In chat you can reply. Code I have sent you. Okay, next after this, we need to create these files. Header, footer, and home. So first create header file and make sure it should go in the same folder. Which folder? Frame set folder. Your page is running. How many times rows are written? Only one time. You have to put 3 times. Then one line. Okay. So next, after this, create the first file header.html. Header.html. You have to open HTML also, body also, everything. HTML, body, BG color.
So that file, will it be in HTML project or HTML?
All in HTML project folder. All file we are creating under the HTML project folder. BG color, some color we can write. Orange color. Now right below one paragraph. This is from header. This is from header. Line equal to center. This is from header. Now we'll go to the another file that will be home.html. Okay, header file is ready. Come to the next file. HTML open close. This file will be called home.html. Follow the body inside again. In body tag also you can write align property. Everything will come in center. Next one. Welcome home. Paragraph. Something home is working. Okay, ready? Next header is ready. Home is also ready. You can check your index file. You can refresh the index file. Header will come on top. Welcome in come in middle. Refresh the index file. Header will come on top. Welcome in come in middle. Coming. So now index is a combination of two files. Header in the given area and welcome in the given area. Next is footer. Let's come to the footer file. HTML body. BG color you can change to blue color. Here also we can write align center. Now we can use a font tag to change the text color white. Size also we can use. Maybe 6. You can write some name there. Master. Header will be in the beginning, footer will be in the last, and then home should be in the middle. We should run the index file. We should run the index file. header in the beginning, footer in the last, and home will come in between. You will run the index file. Your page should look like this. Okay, hope looks similar. Something like this. Next, we can remove this border from here and here. For that, go to the index file, and for frame set, border equal to 0. Border will remove. Border equal to 0. Border will remove. Your page will look complete clean. Something like this. Okay, so check once what we are doing in this file. You can help us with it. Right. If you want to create one more row, then what will happen? As of now, in our page, total 3 rows are there. Something like this. If you want to add one more row, which file we need to modify? Index 1 we need to modify here. Here we have given this. In that only we need to make one more column and minus from anyone. One more row. Okay, so that. Okay. Footer height you can increase. How to increase the footer height? This is 70 and this is a footer height will increase. Increase the footer height little by 5%. Okay, so this is one layout. Okay, so file is ready. Index file. We will leave this and we'll create another file to make some other different type of design. Column wise, as of now, this is row wise. We will create one more file to see the column wise how we can make. Create next file index2 index2.html. Index2.html file. In this file, you can take the copy from index1. From index1, we can take all code copy and paste under the index2. Everything of index1 you can copy and paste in index2. Okay, next after this, we can remove the middle row. The home you have written line, delete that line and make little space here. Delete that middle line and make that little space there. Next, after that, you can right call frame set. After deleting the home line, first we should delete the home line. Then after that, you will write here false equal to, will create two column. One column will be 25% of width and second column will be, this is a 20, then next will be 80%, 20%, 80%. Next after that, you will write one frame src equal to left.html and one more frame src equal to home.html. So this is the middle row that you are dividing into two columns. Okay, check now. Compare once. Inside the main frame set, you have a frame src equal to header.html. Last frame we have footer.html. and in between we have not written home directly. Home we have written under the another frame set. There dividation we have made column wise. First column 25%, second column 80%. 25% will be calling the index.html and 80% will call the home.html. Before that, width was 100%. Now 100% width you divided into two parts, 20 and 80. Frame set and table have no any relation. Frame set is separate and table is separate. Check now your index2 file. How it is? It's like this. Two column will happen. Coming to column, create a file left.html. You can give some color, pink, orange, green, any color, or you can leave white also is fine. Next file you can create left.html. Left.html file you can create here. You can start from HTML. You can follow the body tag. You can use call UL tag if you remember. Or before writing the UL tag, you write something else. H3 updates, upcoming updates. Below we can write a marquee tag. Direction equal to down. So in marquee first to keep the text. See what is happening. Two line will be okay. Now marquee is not similar to p tag. relation between marquee and p tag. Marquee is for this purpose. When you have some text and if you want to make them scroll up down, you can use this tag called which one? Marquee tag. Inside marquee tag, you have to use the p tag. Okay. Inside marquee, you can use the p tag. If you have a text data, you can use the p tag inside. Below the p tag like this. Okay, so direction. Now you can change. By default is from top to left to right to left. We have 4 type of direction we can change. Direction equal to down. So text will go towards down. It will not go right to left. It will come towards down, top to bottom. Direction equal to down. Text will go down. Okay. Next, after that, in certain area, it's getting height. We have a property called height. Using height property, you can increase the height so that the paragraph will walk through in this entire height. 350, 400 you can give. So in that much of height, the content will be scrolling. Working. So that is called marquee tag. Something like this. It will go till how much? 350 of height. You want to know some more property? Some more are there. Okay. What is that? If you want to increase the speed, there is a property called scroll amount. Low number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These all are for the slowest speed. 1 is the complete slowest speed. Very slow. 1 means very slow. Okay. And if you write 20, 30, 100, like fast. Okay. Low number, slow speed, high number, fast speed. So how you want to run, fast or slow, you have to decide. Suppose I keep call 1, it will go very slow. It will look like coming on top. Okay, scroll amount is the property name. It look like click and go Hyderabad, come by then it will be scroll. So it is very slow. So we can increase the number. 3, 4 will be the average speed. 3, 4 will be the average speed. 3 just still look like speed only, slow only. 3. Let me keep call 5. 5 is also speed, slow or normal. 5 can be okay. It was like before only. In case we are given very high speed, okay, you are given lot of speed and it is unable to read. Then what to do for that? There is another property. Okay. So what we can write inside is scroll amount. Let me write call 7. So it will be little speed. Everyone may not read in the so fast, right? So for them, we need to apply the alternate solution. Okay, if you are given little fast speed, person is not able to read, then what he can do? He can take the mouse and he can go there and stop. So this is called like this. On mouse move. On mouse move. Like once you touch by mouse, then this dot stop. But this line came from the JavaScript. On mouse move is the event. On mouse move is the event name, and stop is the function name. Stop, S-T-O-P. Stop I have written, S-T-O-P. This dot stop. So it will be running. Once you touch by mouse, it will be stop there only. Okay. That is called on mouse, on mouse move. On mouse move together. On mouse move will be together. Happening. Maybe browser dependent. You can try other browser. So getting a stop here. Oh. Okay, but if I stop, then okay, no problem. We have other solution also. We can write here on mouse move. On mouse, not move, on mouse out. On mouse out equal to this dot start. This dot start start. So whichever was stopped, it will start automatically. So this dot stop, this represents the current element, current paragraph, current event, current activity, what is happening, that you are going to call by the apology this. So this dot stop means stop scrolling. This dot on mouse out means this dot start means scrolling will start. In case not working in one browser, you can change the browser and check once. This dot stop and start is the browser dependent function of JavaScript. Happening. Okay, so it should be like this. When the mouse will be touch that, when mouse touch stop happen, something like this. Okay. You have some more property. If you want to write it. One more are there. What is that? Now you can see when content is coming down, it's going till end and it's getting finished. Again, it's coming from top, right? So you have direction you have written. Direction is a 4 type. Left, right, up, down. Left means go towards left. Right means go toward right. Top means go to up. And then down means come to down. Okay, so that 4 direction we can remember it. One more you have called scroll, not a scroll amount you have written. That is called behavior. B-E-H-A V-I-O-R, not I-O-R. B-E-H-A V-I-O-R. Spelling is different. B-E-H-A V-I-O-R. We write V-I-O-U-R, I guess. Behavior. Okay, you can write here called alternate. So it will go up and come down. It will go up and come down. Behavior alternate. Behavior alternate. Behavior alternate. So it should look like this. It will go down, again it will come up. Alternate. Oh, alternator I have it. We have here alternate. Even a stop, a start will work, but okay. But we have a better solution than this in the jQuery. Okay, we have better solution than this in jQuery, where content will also scroll according to need. Content will change, and again you can say some other features also get applied. Okay, so this is the left side. Left side is ready. Okay, left side let it be. Now we need to work on this part. For which part? Navigation part. But again in this, if you are feeling like where is my left block, you can write here BG color, some color. BG color also you can pick like this. BG color also you can pick like this, has, and anything 6 digit or 6 character or alphanumeric, anything 6. Okay, that's called color code. Okay, like suppose I will close the eye, I'll write A for something. So we wrote how many? 2, 4, 5. Write one more. Now for this also there will be some kind of color. Okay, which color don't know, but let's check once. Okay, anything, just you close the eye and type 6 times. Anything will 2, 4, 6. It will give a color. Alphanumeric we will combine and see. It's come like this. Change करके देखिए. Change it. BG color. A B C D X Y Z. Anything you can write, it will give some color. But it should start with a hash. It must start with a hash. Okay, so left file is ready. Now, left file is ready as well as footer is also ready. The right welcome file is coming. Next work will be, we need to provide some hyperlink in the navigation. And when you click on any of the link, the content should change in this white block. That is called target equal to user defined. We have left out somewhere in HTML, we have written one place now, target equal to user defined. So we'll provide the link in the menus here in the navigation orange block. If you click on any link, you will be under the index.html only, but the middle block, home is coming, the content will get changed here. It will come from other file based on click. Your page will not reload at all. Okay, but the content will get changed. Hmm. 2, 4, 6 are given. Read up. Okay. Okay. Next, after this, something was in mind. Okay. So check now. Your page is coming. Are you able to pick the color code? FFF. If you write 6 times, it will give you white color. FFF. Okay. One color code I remember. Other color code I. We have option here. Using the browser, we can pick the color also. Okay, so those all we are going to learn in CSS. Will not do R&D. Once you click here, color cube will come. Okay, it's showing in RGBA. The number we are given is converted into RGBA. Once you click here, what will happen? Here one color cube will come. In that you can drag and drop and choose the color code, and whichever the color code you will choose, that will display below. Take the color code and type inside the code. Okay, so till here, if you are done, then we'll open the header file. Header file. Go in header file and under the body, remove the p tag, write a table, open and close, keep align as a center, self padding equal to 10, you can write, no problem. Now write the tr here, and then under the tr, this is which file we are working? Header file. Okay, you will follow the th here and keep hyperlink also. AHRES equal to, we can write here call home. Which file is that? Header file. So you are working on header file. Paragraph was written, delete the paragraph and open a table, close the table, and one tr. Inside we are adding multiple ths using the a tag. So first to write one th, then we'll copy paste many times, and then we'll change the text and hyperlink, whichever is required. 2, 3, 4, 5. Write home, about us, contact us, something, our services, then next call customer. Right, next save the file and refresh your index1 or index2, anyone. Refresh your index1 file or refresh index2 file, any file you can refresh. Link is coming. Space is less, we can give little more space by 12, 13. Cell padding. Okay, done. Come next. So hope for everyone looks similar or something else. Link is coming. Link should come in header file. Index1 also, if you run, you will have the link there also. Because header file is same. Header file we are calling in index1 also, and header file only you are calling under the index2 also. Both the places we are calling the index file, a header file. Okay, next after this we need to implement the next step, that is when you click on any of the hyperlink, their respective page should appear here under the white block. Under the white block, the content should come of each link. Okay, so how it will come? First you come to your index2 file. Index2 file. In index2 file, in one frame, you are calling home.html. Calling home.html in one frame, we are calling home.html. To that frame, you give one name. Name equal to anything, XYZ, small. Name equal to anything, XYZ as a small. After this, user will click in header file and content has to come under this block. Those block, that name is called XYZ. Now see home.html file you are calling. This is home.html. And what is the name of this region? XYZ, correct? Once we click on this link, we will write target equal to XYZ. You have implemented no target once, new blank something, self. Now you will not write target equal to new blank and self. Target will be made by us. That is called user defined target. Okay. So save this file. You can write this one in the index1 also. In index1 also you go, and where you are calling the home, there you can write name equal to XYZ. Name equal to XYZ. You can write in index file as well as index2 file. Okay. Now, where you are given the link? Link you are given in header file, correct? This link is coming from which file? Header file. You will click in the header file and the target should be XYZ. You will click in header file and target will be XYZ. Every click, wherever we are going to click, the page will load. But where it will load, that location is this one. Call it XYZ. In index2 file, if you look, the height is 70% and width is 80%. And that area name is called this one, white block. Correct? And that area name is which one? XYZ. Come to the header file, and when you click on home, we will call home.html. When we click on about, we will call about.html. When we click on contact, we will call contact.html. When we click on service, we'll call service.html. When we click on customer, we'll call customer.html. Home about us, contact us, our service, and customer. Okay, next after this, names written everywhere. Whenever you click, no doubt page will load, but where it will load, we have to decide now. Target equal to XYZ. Everywhere you can add target property XYZ, 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 and XYZ. Everywhere add the same target. Okay, written everywhere. Save the file properly. Your index2 file also you save. Header file also you save. Okay. Will not run. First we'll create a file about.html, then we'll run it. Create a file about.html, then we'll run it. We'll create a file about.html.
Recording in progress.
Okay. In about.html, HTML you start and HTML close. Body start, body close. Right here again, align edge center. And print in between H1 about us. In a paragraph, you can write anything. File name is about because there we have linked with about.html, not about us. Check now. Run any file, either index or index2, and click on wait for some time. Wait for some time. Wait for some time. Click on any link, like suppose about. She is coming in the middle. Click on home. She is coming in the middle. Home and about. If you click any of the link, that content should come in the middle. Something like that, or new tab is getting open. New tab. We can run here, index also, and click on home and about. The content should change under the middle section. If content is opening in the new section, new tab, the problem is you have not saved your header file and you have not saved your index file, you have not saved your index2 file. Okay, or XYZ you have written capital or you are calling here small. If it will not match or not exist, it will open a new tab. Home and about should open in the middle section whenever you click. It's working like this or different? Home about opening in the middle. Okay then, thank you for today. आप लोग का new tab or in the middle? Let me know in the chat. Is that opening in the middle or is it opening the new tab? If open in the middle tab, then you are on the track. If opening the new tab, then your file is not saved, or XYZ spelling you have made wrong, or maybe you have written capital or you are calling small. We will work on remaining files again tomorrow. We'll make better design and other things. After clicking on the link, little you need to know in home, like evening time, morning time, whenever you are free, to take any notebook or anything and write something, types. Little speed has to typing the sense. I'm not asking you to write everything, I'm writing a little power. So that will happen 4-5 days. 300, 400 words from the notebook. Within system, you write in the automatically. Okay, then we'll see you tomorrow.